To analyze a Debank portfolio overview, start by understanding what Debank is. Debank is a portfolio tracking platform for cryptocurrency and decentralized finance investors. It allows users to track their assets across multiple wallets and protocols in one place. First, log into your Debank account and navigate to the portfolio overview page. This page provides a comprehensive view of your entire portfolio, including the total value, profit and loss, and asset distribution. Look at the total portfolio value, which is the sum of all your assets. This gives you an overall idea of your portfolio's performance. Below this, you will see the profit and loss section, which shows your unrealized and realized gains or losses. Next, examine the asset distribution section, which displays the allocation of your portfolio across different asset classes, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. This helps you understand your portfolio's diversification and risk exposure. Another important aspect is the protocol distribution section, which shows how your assets are distributed across various decentralized finance protocols, such as lending, liquidity provision, and yield farming. This information is crucial for managing risk and optimizing returns. To dive deeper, click on each asset or protocol to view detailed information, including current price, balance, and value. You can also use the filter and sorting functions to customize the view and focus on specific assets or protocols. Best practices for analyzing a Debank portfolio overview include regularly reviewing your portfolio to track performance and make adjustments as needed. It is also essential to set clear investment goals and risk tolerance to guide your portfolio management decisions. By following these steps and understanding key concepts, you can effectively analyze your Debank portfolio overview and make informed decisions to optimize your investment strategy. Remember to stay up to date with market trends and adjust your portfolio accordingly to achieve your investment objectives.